Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your CoinStats account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on CoinStats, firstly open your CoinStats application. The official page of CoinStats application will appear on the screen. Click on three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on Create Account Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and tap on Forgot Password option. Enter your email address to receive recovery mail to reset your password for CoinStats account. Now click on Confirm. A reset link will be sent to your email address. Click on the reset link sent by CoinStats and create a new password for your CoinStats account. This is how you can reset CoinStats account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.